Love that. He already has his hands on top of his desk. And a lot of you, I didn't even tell you, but you already put the folder back in your desk. That's perfect. Those of you that did that, thank you very much.
I did without
Okay.
telling me.
We're going to talk about something. Very first thing that's really important. First thing you need to know is that my name is Miss Smith. Will you say it? Miss Smith. Do it again. Miss Smith. Perfect. And I'm going to be your teacher this year, and I'm so excited. Last night when I went home, my mom was at my house, and she said, "What do you think about your first graders? Do you think they're going to be a good class?" And I said, "Oh yeah, I think they're going to be amazing." So I want to see if that's true. In first grade, you have to know something that's called power position. Will you say power position? Power position. Power position means you're sitting ready to learn. It means your chair is scooted up to your desk. Yes. Good. It means your hands are on top of your desk. Just like that. And it means your eyeballs are right here on me. Wow. And even if I move over here, you're watching. Or even if I move in the middle, good watching. Even if I go down, wow. Good watching. Okay, I wasn't going to tell you this yet, but I think I better tell you right now, because everybody's doing it. In my class, if you follow my directions the first time, if you do what I ask you to the first time I ask you to do it, then I come over to my class pizza and I add a pepperoni. Bloop. And I have another pizza that's back there on that board. Point for me if you can see where the other pizza is. Ooh, good pointing. Okay, turn back around. Whoa, that was fast turning around. If you fill up that pizza and this pizza with all the pepperonis, then we get to have a pizza party. And whenever we do pizza party, I like to go, "Pizza party!" Can you do it? Pizza party! Good job. But to earn the pepperonis, you have to follow my directions. And the reason I added one is because everybody was already doing that with power position. Okay, let's practice what power position does not look like. I want you to scoot your chair out just a little bit. Maybe put your hands down by your side and maybe lay your head on your desk or just look kind of sloppy and don't watch the teacher. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, when I say power position, I'm going to see who remembers what that looks like. First graders, I need you in power position. Jacob, super fast. Tessa, super fast. Let me see, are your chairs scooted in? And are your hands on top of your desk? And are your mouths closed? Finn, I love it. Gabe, super job. Hands are on top of your desk. Good following directions. Let me check your mouths. Mouths are closed. Awesome. I think I better add another pepperoni.